Hey there, in this video we're going to discuss editing the Go to Work Zero button in Mach4 Mill. This is going to require users to get into the edit screen and edit the function in the button. So we open Mach up and one of the first things that we normally do is enable the machine, but to get into the edit screen we will not enable it. We're going to be editing the Go to Work Zero button. So to be sure the machine is disabled, click the Operator tab, scroll down to the Edit Screen selection. You can hit OK on the PMC Disable. Next, we're going to take a look at a small button that has a function built into it. Right there shows the properties of that button. And then in the Events tab, this particular button has the function built into it, as you can see right there. I'm just showing you this because the Go to Work Zero button will not have the function built into it. Instead, it is calling the function from a different location. You can see right there, that is what the function is going to look like. So next we need to find the top of the manager. The top selection is the screen functions. We're going to look for the screen load script right there. And next we're going to search for the Go to Work Zero button. We'll find that, and it'll shoot us right down to the function in the screen load script. So here you can see what the function's called. There are actually two different versions of this function in here. The one that is active, that shows up in color, is going to operate in your normal work coordinates. It's going to go to X0, Y0, A0 without any Z moves. The second function that is commented out with the two minus symbols, which makes it green, which indicates that it is commented out. This has Z moves in it. The first part of it, machine move to home. The second move moves you back to work coordinates X0, Y0, A0, and then a third move to work coordinates Z0. Now, uncommenting that one and commenting the top one out switches which function is going to work when you click on the button. We go to Operator again, click Edit Screen. It will ask you if you would like to save the current screen. You would want to hit Yes. And once you enable Mach, this other function is now available. Another way to do this, if you do want to use the second function that we enabled, but you do not want to plunge your tool back down towards your part, is we're going to just copy the last function that we just uncommented that's active, and I'm going to show you how to just remove the final Z move out of it. So there again, we're going to go to the screen load script. We're going to find the Go to Work Zero function. This second line with the Z moves in it, we're going to simply copy it. And be sure that you do not copy things that you don't want to. And we're simply going to paste it in again below as a third option. We're going to tab it in so all the functions line up so they're easier to find and manipulate. And now the last thing we're going to do here is we're going to remove the final Z move just by deleting everything up to the A0 And now we're going to comment out the second action, which leaves our third action active. So this will send Z to machine home, move you to current work coordinates x0, y0, a0, and then going back up to operator, edit screen, gets you out of the screen editor, and now we're active with the third function available in Mach. This has been another tutorial from Rob Gaudet, Newfangled Solutions. Enjoy and happy machining.